So hello everyone. My name is Archit Matkarikar. I'm here to demonstrate my task for SIT753, that is professional practice, and the 6.1p, which is Jenkins continuous delivery pipeline. So as per the requirements of the task sheet, we were supposed to have 6 stages. The these are as these follows, and we need to define and use environment variables for the pipeline to make sure the product, the code from build to production stays like verbose. So as per the requirements, I've created a pipeline script which looks as below. So first we define the environment variables as per the task sheet, the directory path, the testing environment, and the production environment. Uh, they are random simulated names. So for now, in first the build stage, we fetch the source code from the directory path of the developer, and we compile and generate any necessary artifacts, executables, libraries, whatever need be. And we go through the testing stage where we'll run our unit tests, integration tests, E2E tests if need be, and uh, make sure the code works as per the make sure all the make sure the code works in isolation as well as when it's integrated with other components. Then we go through the code quality check. Here we can go through some vulnerability scanners, memory leak, issue avoiding, etc. Then we go through the deployment stage where we will have to push our code onto some containers that might be orchestrated by Kubernetes, or we might even push our code to some cloud hosted environment. Then a simulated approval stage so that you can get the approval from the tech lead or the manager or whoever it be. And if we get the approval, we can deploy to production. For the approval, I simulated a sleep for 10 seconds as per the requirements of task sheet, and then we deploy to production. So this is my pipeline script. It is as per the requirements of the task sheet. I save it, and here we go. We can press build now to start the build schedule. This is the second one. I already did a test for one to make sure it works. If I click on it, it can see the console output as well. It's started, it's an integration test, deploying, it's sleeping for 10 seconds, and finally it gets finished. And it's approved 11 seconds per duration, or 10 seconds is mostly for the sleep. Uh, we can get the console output, the pipeline overview, everything that happened, how much time was spent on each part. So the build took this much time, test took this much time, approval took this much time. So we can get it in a diagrammatic way. Um, Yeah, and this is the console output for the same, which verifies that our application worked as per our requirements. We deploy it to the production environment, which was simulated by me, the test environment, which was defined in the variable at the start, and the directory path, which is just a random name for now. Yeah, and that was it. Thanks so much.